All right, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 19. So controlling speed. You used rotation speed outside the draw loop to make your sprite rotate when your program started. You can also use rotation speed inside the draw loop to change the speed of the sprite during the game. For example, a sprite can start rotating when the user presses the spacebar, and it will keep rotating until it's told to stop. So do this. Look at the conditional statement inside the draw loop that checks if the spacebar has been pressed. Show me where? Right there. All right, so if key went down, space. Beautiful. Make the color wheel start spinning when the user presses the spacebar. Drag a rotation speed block inside the if statement and set its value. So, all right, so sprite rotation, and we're going to get rid of that. So we need to call this wheel. We need to call this wheel. And let's set it to, did it say a specific one or can we set it to anything? All right, we're going to set it to 5 because I like it when things move fast. Okay, so we're going to click on run. And then this one, it's not just running, it's not broken. We have to click on the spacebar first. So click. And there we go. Perfection. So if yours looks like that, then you did it right. And we're going to move on to level 6. Cool. Here we go.